Step 3. Properly check and adjust the machine specifications. Some machines' pressure and flows can be set within the monitor. However, others may require manual adjustments at the auxiliary valve. For a manual adjustment, see your original equipment manufacturer's owner's manual for the carrier. Next, you will perform a pressure and flow test on the machine. Ensure that the carrier is at normal operating temperature. Ensure that the shutoff valves are closed and connect the flow meter to the auxiliary lines located at the end of the stick. Once connections are tight and connected in line to the circuit, open the shutoff valves and the flow control valve on the flow meter. Start the carrier and activate the auxiliary circuit. Adjust the flow control valve until the pressure reading is within the required range of the breaker. If you are unable to reach the required pressure, adjust your auxiliary relief valve maximum setting either on the monitor or manually, 500 to 700 psi over the breaker operating pressure. The relief valve must be set to prevent high-pressure oil from damaging the hoses or other components should the shutoff valve be closed, or another obstruction prevents oil flow. Refer to your carrier's manual for setting instructions.